Hey guys, back with another video. What if I told you that there was a product out there that will give you 100% of your premiums back? Now, often I hear people complain about, well, I pay into insurance, I never get anything back. Well, coming up, we're going to talk about a product that you can use if you qualify that will give you 100% of your premium back. Stay tuned.
InsureWithTimK.com makes it easy to purchase life insurance over the phone and online. No matter if you're looking for just enough to cover your final expenses or enough to pay off your mortgage, we shop around to find the best solution from numerous AM Best A-rated carriers, so call today. Don't wait another year. www.insurewithtimk.com or call 678-348-0283. Again, that's 678-348-0283.
All right, so let's get down to it. One of the biggest complaints that I hear from people is that, I paid all this money to insurance and I didn't get anything out of it. Well, that changes today. I have a company that I represent that will actually give you 100% of your premiums back. Now, this is a term life policy, meaning that it's set up for either 15, 20, 25, or 30 years. Now, if after the term you're still alive, you get 100% of your premiums back. If I had an applause machine, I would have some applause going on right now because that's exciting. Right? That's an incentive to live. Okay? Now, the other side of this, you have something called accidental death benefits included with this at no additional cost. So, statistics show that people die quite frequently from accidents more than you think. If that is the case, let's say, for example, you have a $100,000 policy for easy math, you have an additional 50% added on. So you have the 100,000. If it was a natural death, that's what you paid for, but then you have an extra 50,000 on top of that. 150,000 right there. That's included. So there's no urine test, there's no blood, okay? So this is extremely convenient for a lot of people, right? If you want more than 250,000, then yes, we can offer that, but then you do have to go through those channels, which is not the end of the world, but for most people, they want to avoid that. They just want to go ahead and see if they're approved and keep moving. The other thing is that this has something called living benefits. So you actually benefit from this while you're alive. Now, granted, the circumstances of which you would have to use this is not the greatest, but it is good to know that if you can't go to work, you do have the finances to cover any medical bills or whatever you wanted to cover. And you can actually have a say in how it's being spent. So if you have any type of chronic, critical, or terminal illness, this will come into play. Okay? You can use up to 100% of your death benefit to cover those expenses. I don't know what else to say. This is an excellent product. Again, you do have to be between age 20 and 60. That's why I always preach that the younger you are, the better, because your rates are going to be extremely low and you can hold on to it, get all your premiums back. You have the accidental death benefit included with this, and you can use it if you develop any type of chronic, critical, or terminal illness. Check me out today, InsureWithTimK.com, and I'll tell you all about that program and that particular company. And let's talk. Let's have a conversation. Let's see how we can work together to make sure that you're covered from all angles and get some money back. All right. Have a good day.